How to remove rear-view mirror on a Ford vehicle. All Ford cars are equipped with rear-view mirrors to assist drivers in many ways. From watching over your kids behind and switching lanes safely, to observing rear traffic, it's impossible to downplay the role of a rear-view mirror in your Ford vehicle. However, for several reasons, the mirror might need a replacement, and while the first line of action would be to invite a mechanic, doing it yourself is possible. In fact, it's easier than you think, and you can remove the rear-view mirror in less than a minute. In this video, you find out how to do this simple task and the right tools you need to get it done. So let's proceed, shall we? Tools needed. To successfully remove a rear-view mirror on any Ford vehicle, you need the right tools. There's no specific Ford rear-view mirror removal tool, but a couple of tools you will need includes the following: screwdriver, prying tool or small fork, razor blade, heat gun, methane lighter, or their equivalents. I will link all the tools I mentioned in the description box below. How to remove rear-view mirror in a Ford vehicle. Most Ford vehicles have rear-view mirrors attached to their mounting brackets with a two-prong system. This system makes the removal pretty simple. All you need is a Ford rear-view mirror removal tool, which you will insert at the base of the bracket, then pry or move it a little. The prying process will show that the mirror is movable, and then with a little upward pressure, the mirror goes off the bracket. But let me break this down with a step-by-step guide on how to remove the rear-view mirror in Ford. Step 1. Get a Ford rear-view mirror removal tool, typically a prong tool. Step 2. Locate the base of the rear-view mirror at the point when it connects to the mounting bracket on the windshield. Step 3. Place the prong tool in the small space below the mounting bracket. Be careful to avoid the windshield. Step 4. Pry the base a little, and in doing so, you will notice that the mirror is moving, indicating that it's removable. Step 5. Now apply a little upward pressure using the prong tool, and the mirror will come off the mounting bracket easily. Step 6. Alternatively, you can get a small hammer, the base of a screwdriver, or any other lightweight object to hit the base of the mirror on the bracket gently with the prong tool still in place. You would also need to be careful with a hammer to avoid damaging the glass. Step 7. For some advanced vehicles with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assisted Systems, you will have to remove the wire connected to the mirror from the roof before you can safely take off the mirror. Rear view mirror on Ford. After removing the rear view mirror button, you can now install your new rear view mirror on Ford F-150. Do this by placing the new bracket in the same area you removed the previous one, which provides an anchor for the mirror to be installed. But before then, you dry clean the surface of the mirror and apply an adhesive to it. Follow the instructions on the adhesives to apply them safely. The instructions will contain the right amount to apply and the necessary precautions in the application process. Afterward, fix the new mount bracket on the adhesive area in the glass and leave it for about 3 minutes to dry and hold the mounting hardware in place. When the hardware is firmly mounted on the glass, attempt to shake it and see if it will move easily. If it does, you need to allow it to dry up some more. If it's firm, then you can slide the mirror's base into it. Removing the rear view mirror of your Ford vehicle is easy with the required tool and knowledge. Simply place a prying tool or fork below the base of the mirror attached to the mount bracket. Pull upward with a little pressure, and the mirror comes off. You can remove the mount bracket using a heat gun or its equivalent. This guide will help you achieve it with little effort. However, if you aren't confident about this DIY route, you can always consult your mechanic. I hope you liked this video. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.